When someone has suffered a brain injury or a spinal cord injury, it turns your life upside down. You have to see an attorney who knows what they're doing. In my firm, we know the medicine. We understand how devastating the consequences could be. We know how to hire the experts to make the case, and we know what to do to plan for the future of that client. Typically, you're going to have not only the liability experts to prove how the accident occurred and the mechanics of how the injuries were suffered, but you have to have the right damage experts to prove the medicine and explain the medicine to the jury, what the future life care needs are going to be of the client, the psychological impacts, and perhaps neuropsychologists to understand how a brain injury has impacted an individual's cognitive ability. We have a track record of success. We have very dedicated, skilled lawyers, skilled litigators in this firm. We've been doing this for a long time. We understand how personal injury cases work, and we work very hard to get the best possible result for our clients.